Hello guys, so this is a two-part video series on keyword research and product launch. So in this video, ये वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगा, दिस फर्स्ट पार्ट में मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊंगा कैसे मैं कीवर्ड को एनालाइज करता हूँ बाय एनालाइजिंग द कंपटीशन. तो मैं इसमें एक यूनिक मेथड यूज करने वाला हूँ, एडवांस मेथड, ठीक है. तो ये मेथड मैं यूज करके कीवर्ड्स ढूंढूंगा एंड देन ऑन द सेकेंड पार्ट I am going to show you how you will launch profitably and target the lowest competitive product and rank your keywords in place of those products, okay, in the first page. So what is first part on keyword research and product launch, and the second part will be coming soon.
Now, this is an advanced method that I use. So for that, let's take an example of this vacuum storage bags. Okay. So this is vacuum storage bag. The market is really good. Okay. So then what we have to do is we have to go to the top seller subcategory. Okay. So this is the subcategory I have already opened. So now we are going to select, like if suppose we are going to launch in this market. So I am going to select 10 top competitors. Okay. So first one should be obviously the top seller. I'll copy it, and in Cerebro, I'll go and paste it in Cerebro. This is a tool by Helium 10. Then this is from the same brand, so I'm not copying. Okay. Now this is the second one. Okay. Let's do it quickly. Okay. I'll copy 10 A science. This is the last one. So I have copied. Now I will click on this get keywords. And it will populate all keywords that for which these products are ranking. So now we got the keyword. So I will actually tweak some settings here. Okay, I will do some minimum search volume will be 300 because I want the keyword to get like at least one or two sales today or tomorrow. Okay, so the word count I will do one, okay, and then I will do the match type will be only organic, not sponsored, and the ranking competitor. I want at least two competitor to be ranked for that keyword. Now it will provide me keywords. Previously it was 12,000 keywords. Now it will refine to 399. Okay. Now what I have to do is I have to go and download it. Okay. I will just go and do a CSV. Now it's downloaded. Okay. So this is the data that is downloaded. Now I have to actually cut few data. Okay. So I don't want this Cerebro IQ score. So I am deleting it. I don't want the search volume trend, and I don't want all this. Okay. So this position rank is the rank of the top competitor. Okay. Now, if you see, this is a top competitor. Okay. So I have to just copy it and I'll replace in the position rank. Okay. By this one. So this is the top one. Okay. Now relative this thing, I don't know. I don't even want. Okay. Now we need this data. There should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. So now we will be copying all these and okay. And then we are going to paste the data in Google Sheet. Now it will take some time. Okay. It will take some time. So all the data are now pasted. Now here we can't actually tell which keyword is relevant or not. So I will be using one special formula. Okay. Uh, so I will be using one special formula to find out relevancy. That which keywords are relevant. Okay. So the formula will be so. What is this? Okay. So the red ones, okay, they are the top seller. This is how you validate a product. Okay. This is how you validate a product. So these green products, you can easily beat them. Okay, these green products you can easily beat them because they haven't managed to rank all of their keywords. Okay, you can easily beat those. And this red, it can take few months to actually beat those. Okay, and if you do bundling, you can easily beat those. And this orange are similar. Okay, they are close to the red ones. Okay, now we exactly know, हम लोगों को पूरा अच्छे से पता है कि आप कौन सा प्रोडक्ट्स को हम लोगों को टारगेट करना है. ठीक है, सो इनिशियली जब मैं लॉन्च करूंगा तब मैं टारगेट करूंगा ये जो ग्रीन प्रोडक्ट्स है. ठीक है, इनको हम लोग इजीली बीट कर सकते हैं. सो आई विल टारगेट दिस ग्रीन प्रोडक्ट्स. I am going to show you in the next part of this video, in the part 2 of this keyword research and launch process, that how I am going to extract those keywords for which this last one. Okay, यहाँ पे ये पहले हम लोग चूज करते हैं क्योंकि इसमें सिर्फ ये प्रोडक्ट ने सिर्फ 24% ऑफ कीवर्ड्स को रैंक किया है. ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले इसको टारगेट करेंगे, इनका कीवर्ड्स में फर्स्ट पेज में रैंक करेंगे हम लोग प्रोडक्ट को. सो आई विल रैंक माय प्रोडक्ट अगेंस्ट दिस प्रोडक्ट इन द फर्स्ट पेज for which this product is ranking in the first page. Then I am targeting, I will target this one, then this one. Okay, so I will target this 4 products first, and I will make sure my product gets shown beside these products in the first page for these keywords for which these are actually ranking for. Okay, सो क्योंकि इन लोगों ने वो प्रोडक्ट्स में, तो मुझे फर्स्ट नेक्स्ट सेशन में ये ढूंढना है कि कौन सा कीवर्ड्स के लिए ये प्रोडक्ट्स एकदम फर्स्ट पेज में शो कर रहा है. ठीक है, ये प्रोडक्ट्स. सो दैट विल बी इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. ओके, so for that part we have to change few things here. Okay, we will take the relevancy score of 2 as well. Okay, so that's it guys for this. Now make sure you join the second part of this video because I'm going to show you how I'm going to target the long tail keywords for which these low competitive products are ranking for. Since these are not yet that much higher competitive products, I can easily beat them. So I'm going to target the keywords for which they are ranking, and then slowly I will try to rank for these keywords, the yellow one and then orange one. Okay, and with time I could easily beat the red ones as well. So just wait for the second part of this video. I am sure that is going to be very valuable.
So that's it guys for this first part of this series. So in the second part I am going to cover how I am exactly going to target these green products. Those are not that competitive and I can easily beat them. I am going to show you how I am going to compete against their keywords which is ranked in the first page. So ये प्रोडक्ट जो कीवर्ड के लिए फर्स्ट पेज में शो करता है, मैं उनमें जाकर रैंक करूंगा फर्स्ट इनिशियली, और धीरे धीरे मैं ग्रीन को कवर करके, येलो को कवर करके, ऑरेंज को कवर करके रेड को टारगेट करूंगा. So I am going to show you exactly on the second video of this series. So that's it guys, I will see you in the second part of this video series.